Okay, I don't know what game to play. Maybe Bowmasters.
No to ja, Łukasz, gdzie masz tą paczkę?
Where? I don't know.
Proszę mu poszukać.
But I bought it with my money. No, you haven't hit your pack. Should have taken a long time. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Who's he? Open them. Hi. Where did that come from?
Monika Wyszowiecka, kosmetolog. Jest też nasza modelka. Dzień dobry. Zaczniemy z walką z celulitem. Nie tylko czasami, tylko tak naprawdę większość kobiet ma ten celulizm. Powinniśmy do tego podchodzić tak bardzo z wielką frustracją. Po prostu trzeba się z tym delikatnie...
Oh, I don't know. Because maybe it was mine. I know it was okay. So guys. Okay, what do you want to do now? Let's see.
Download a game. I got a good game.
You weren't meant to talk.
Hot dog butt.
Guys, I'm going to tell you how to get your own music tone. You have to have a SIM card for this though. Okay, so when it says Hot 100, you have to go to ringtones and watch a video to open these. You can look up songs, like mine's this. But where it says music, you want to go to ringtone. Okay. Yeah, that is. So click on it. Yeah, and you can press these. Well, you have to download it. Make it. Yeah, and the app is called Music Ringtone with rendered background and white music. So Thank you and please subscribe. It would be a pleasure.
Don't ask me why I talked.